Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is actually Friday the 13th and I don't have school on Fridays, so I thought it would be a good idea to customize these jeans that I thrifted. So I have these jeans that I thrifted and I actually really like the brand. I've never seen this brand before, but it's, oh my god, let it not focus on me. It's called Grapevine jeans, and I like the little button that it has. It has a little grape on it and it's gold. I also really like the pockets of these jeans. I've never really seen pockets like this before. And overall they're just straight leg jeans. So what I'm planning to do with these jeans are distressing the knees as well as cutting off the length of it to make it kind of more of a cropped look. And then after I finish that, I'm gonna go ahead and paint little hearts on them because I kind of want to give the jeans some more originality. And I'm gonna show you guys the step-by-step process of how I do that, as well as my supplies.
I lost my voice while I was editing this, so I'm going to use this as a voiceover. The first thing, I'm using a scissors for cropping the jeans and distressing them. The second thing I need is a ruler to measure the length that I want the jeans to be and then crop them. Then I'll need a pen to mark those measurements. The last thing I am using is a pair of tweezers. After trying the jeans on, I realized that I wanted to crop them by 3 inches. So here you can see me using my pen and the ruler to mark the 3 inches before making a straight line to ensure that the ends of the jeans do not look crooked. And then I just repeated the same thing for the other side, while listening to Queen Peppa Pig's album. Now for the distressing part, I tried the jeans on again, and looked in the mirror, and used the pen to mark the top and the bottom of my knee to make sure that I didn't distress the jeans in an awkward way. Now that I know where my knee is when I put on the jeans, I just drew horizontal, straight lines as a blueprint of where I am going to be cutting and eventually distressing the jeans. A tip is to make sure that the lines on the top and bottom are shorter than the middle of where the hole is going to be, so that it looks like a hole and is not awkwardly shaped. Here you can see me using my tweezers to pull the threads out of the jeans, exposing the white thread underneath. I did this for the bars of fabric in between the top and bottom line for my knees. After I pulled all the threads out, I used my tweezers to ruffle up the edges of the lines that I cut so that it doesn't look too square. I went to a craft store and bought this paintbrush set and acrylic paint. I made sure that the paint could be used on fabric. I picked white, pink, and red for the heart design I'm going to be. This is the heart design I decided to paint. After painting the first heart, I realized that it is a good idea to 1. Make a heart stencil, so I did that by folding a piece of paper into 4 to make it thick, and then I cut a heart shape to make the stencil 2. I made sure to use white as my base color because this makes the colors far more vibrant. Then, after the white dried, I painted the red outline, before using the pink. After the paint dried, I went over it again to get a more clean finish. This is the before and after. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.